that's the way it was before, and this is what I've installed so far. And on the other side over there, where again that tree, those leaves, and I have this side of the house, the other side to do, the front, and I got enough of these for the entire home. These are really cool guards. If you ever want to get some, it's a steel mesh, and water comes straight through them, but it's fine enough and strong enough that it won't capture any of the grit from the shingles, and that's the biggest thing for me. I'm almost finished with this project. I have about 35 linear feet to go, and I'll be done. Total footage was 320 linear feet, and I just got about 35 more to go, and I'll be done. When that's done, no more climbing the ladder every year, cleaning gutters out, getting leaves out of my gutters from both my tree right here and my neighbor's tree. That's a big one over there. Every year the leaves blow over and just compact the gutters, and I've been doing it every year since we've been in the house. But going forward, no more cleaning the gutters. This job is almost done. And the biggest challenge of putting these gutter guards in are the ends, are the corners. And our home has about 17 corners, so it's a lot of cutting and measuring. As you can see, I did the 45-degree angle here. You could square it off. It's a little bit challenging, but take the time and cut the 45-degree and measure it correctly. And this last part, I saved the best for last, straight 32 linear feet, and I'll be done.